Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Clash Royale login failed error. If you're seeing a login failed error, this usually means authentication did not complete properly. First, make sure your internet is stable. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network issues. Weak signals can often cause login failures. Also, make sure that you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi so the app runs smoothly. Then, restart the app on your phone by swiping it off from the bottom of your screen. Look for Clash Royale, then swipe it away. After that, reopen it. And also, restart your phone to reset the login session. If you're using a Supercell ID, double check that you're entering the correct email and verification code, and disable any VPNs or ad blockers that may block login requests. If login still fails, reinstall the app and log in carefully. This usually fixes repeated login errors, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.